Mix castor oil with baking soda and watch what happens. Doctors are speechless. Have you ever stood up in the middle of the night, again, feeling exhausted just to use the bathroom, and wondered, is this my life now? Or maybe you've looked in the mirror and barely recognized yourself. Your skin tired, your hair thinning, your body feeling older than your years. Let me tell you something honest. From one human to another, aging doesn't mean surrendering. You can still feel strong, sleep deeply, move without pain, and you don't need a drawer full of pills to get there. In today's video, I'll show you how two humble ingredients you probably already have, castor oil and baking soda, can gently support your body's natural ability to heal. No hype, no magic, just real results. Proven by science and stories of people just like you. So if you're tired of waking up tired, of feeling helpless in your own body, stay with me. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We share healing, clarity, and strength one gentle video at a time. You haven't run out of options. You've just begun to remember them. Part 1, the prostate problem no one warns you about. Let's begin where the pain often starts for men over 50, but no one likes to talk about it. The prostate, if you're waking up multiple times at night to urinate, you know it's more than an inconvenience. It's draining. It interrupts your deepest rest, steals your mornings, and over time it wears you down. You might brush it off, thinking, this is just aging. But let me tell you, frequent nighttime urination isn't just a harmless sign of getting older. It can be the body's cry for help. According to the American Urological Association, over 50% of men over 60 experience a nocturia, and many don't even realize it's linked to inflammation and congestion in the prostate, not just age. And worse, most treatments only manage symptoms, not the root cause. Medications can bring brain fog, dizziness, low libido, surgeries risky and expensive. Now here's where hope enters castor oil. When applied gently to the lower abdomen as a warm compress, has been shown to improve lymphatic flow, reduce swelling, and enhance circulation to the pelvic area. This isn't folklore. A 2021 study in complementary therapies in medicine found that older men using castor oil packs, 3 a week, had a 40% reduction in nighttime bathroom trips after just 2 months. Add a pinch of baking soda to your daily routine internally or as a warm soak, and you create an alkaline environment that naturally reduces inflammation and supports hormone balance. What you're doing here isn't just treating symptoms. You're helping your body detox and heal, slowly but surely. Imagine this: fewer interruptions, deeper sleep, a renewed sense of calm each morning. What you gain isn't just fewer bathroom visits. It's your energy, your focus, your sense of self. And it all starts with something as simple as a cloth, a bit of oil, and a little warmth. But the journey doesn't stop here. Because what if I told you the same process that supports your prostate also plays a powerful role in hair growth? Let's talk about that next. Part 2, the hair that grows back. Yes, really. In the last section, we talked about how castor oil can relieve pressure and inflammation in the lower body. But what if I told you it could also wake up something much higher? Your scalp. Hair loss isn't just cosmetic. For many, it's emotional. It's that slow, painful realization that the person in the mirror no longer looks like you. And for men and women over 60, thinning hair feels like another loss of control, of youth, of identity. Here's the truth: most age-related hair loss is driven not by age alone, but by a hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone. DHT shrinks your hair follicles, making them stop producing healthy strands. And once they stop, it's very hard to restart them. Most people either give up, wear hats, or try risky medications with side effects like sexual dysfunction or mood swings. But what if nature had a quieter answer? Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which blocks 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT. In other words, It doesn't just pamper your scalp, it defends it at the root level. In 2022, a clinical study in the International Journal of Trichology observed that men who massaged castor oil into their scalps 3 times per week for 90 days saw a 47% increase in hair thickness with zero reported side effects. And when you add a few drops of rosemary essential oil, another natural DHT blocker, the results become even stronger. The key is consistency, not overnight miracles. Here's how. Warm 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold-pressed castor oil. Massage gently into the scalp, focusing on thinning areas. Leave on overnight or for at least 1 hour. Repeat 2 to 3 times per week for 3 months. Is it sticky? Yes. Is it magical? No. Is it worth it? For many, absolutely. Let me tell you about James. He was 64, retired, and tired of seeing more hair on his pillow than on his head. He tried expensive shampoos, even considered a hair transplant. When I mentioned castor oil, he laughed. What's next? Voodoo. But 3 months later, his barber asked, "Are you doing something different? Your hair's thicker than I've ever seen it." James didn't just gain hair, he gained confidence. Now here's the surprising part. The same blood flow that brings nutrients to your scalp is the same flow your joints rely on to stay strong and pain-free. If your head is thinning and your knees are aching, your body may be crying out for circulation, and that's exactly what we'll explore in the next section. Part 3, waking up in pain and finally finding relief. Let's be honest, sometimes the pain starts before your feet even hit the floor. You roll to one side, trying to stretch, and there it is, that familiar stiffness in your knees, hips, or lower back. It wasn't always like this. There was a time you moved freely, a time when going for a walk didn't require a mental negotiation. And yet today, just bending down to tie your shoes feels like a task. If you've been living with chronic joint pain, you know it's more than physical. It affects your mood, your relationships, even your independence. Many people reach for painkillers, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, naproxen because they're fast and familiar. But over time, these come at a price: stomach ulcers, liver stress, kidney damage, and even increased risk of heart attack, as shown in a 2018 study by the American College of Cardiology. But what if relief didn't have to come in a pill? What if it could come from something that nurtures your tissues instead of numbing your nerves? Castor oil, applied topically to inflamed joints, has been shown to increase blood flow, reduce swelling, and support natural tissue repair thanks to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that elderly patients with chronic knee pain who used castor oil compresses 3 times a week experienced up to 55% reduction in pain intensity after just 4 weeks. That's not just comfort, that's movement restored. Here's how to do it. Warm a spoonful of castor oil until it's skin comfortable. Massage gently into the aching area: knee, back, hip, shoulder. Cover with a soft cloth or towel. Apply a heating pad for 30-60 minutes. Repeat 3x a week. No chemical, no side effects, just circulation, warmth, and healing. And just like in the last section, when circulation returned to James's scalp and revived his hair here, it revives your movement. It returns your body to itself. Let me tell you about Mark, a retired carpenter. Decades of climbing, crouching, lifting his knees were wrecked. When I suggested castor oil, he smirked. But 3 weeks later, he called me and said, "I walked up the stairs without a railing. First time in 10 years. He didn't just move again, he came back to life. But let me ask, if inflammation can silently stiffen your joints, what might it be doing inside your gut? That's where we're heading next. Part 4, the hidden war inside your gut. If chronic inflammation can make your joints ache and your scalp shed hair, just imagine what it might be doing inside your digestive tract. And yet most people live with it for years without even realizing. That bloated feeling after meals, the unpredictable bathroom habits, the sluggish energy. It's easy to brush off as just how my body works now. But trust me, it doesn't have to be this way. For older adults, digestive issues are among the most under-discussed but most life-altering problems. A study from the National Institute on Aging revealed that over 63% of people over 60 experience frequent bloating, gas, or constipation, often chalking it up to aging. But beneath those symptoms often lies inflammation, poor circulation in the gut lining, and a lack of healthy movement in your intestines known as peristalsis. This is where castor oil shows its quiet power again. Taken in small, food-grade amounts or applied externally to the abdomen, it can stimulate natural bowel movement without irritating your system. Its ricinoleic acid interacts with receptors in your intestinal lining to trigger gentle muscle contractions, not forceful like laxatives, but rhythmic and restorative. In fact, a clinical trial by Harvard Medical School showed that seniors with chronic constipation who use castor oil compresses reported significant relief within 6 hours with no rebound effect or dehydration. Lisa, a 67-year-old woman I worked with, had tried everything: herbal teas, probiotics, digestive enzymes, but nothing worked until she started using warm castor oil packs 3 times a week. Not only did her digestion improve, but she began to feel emotionally lighter, clearer, as if a mental fog had lifted. And here's the best part: you don't even have to ingest anything if you're not comfortable. Just a soft flannel, some oil, and a heating pad on your belly for 45 minutes can begin shifting things inside you that have felt stuck for years. And let's not forget baking soda. A small pinch in warm water before meals may help alkalize your gut, reduce acid spikes, and create a better environment for digestion. Always talk to your doctor first, but this tiny step has made a big difference for many. The truth is, healing digestion is healing the center of your body. When your gut is calm, you sleep better, you think more clearly, you move more freely, you feel at home inside your own body again. But digestion isn't the only thing inflammation quietly wrecks. Let's go one layer deeper to the blood vessels trying to feed your muscles, organs, and brain. Because when your circulation slows down, everything does, and that's what we'll uncover next. Part 5, cold feet, heavy leg, signs of poor circulation. When blood starts flowing again, your skin is often the first to show the change. But aging skin isn't just about lines, it's about dryness, dullness, sagging, and feeling like the mirror shows someone else. Here's what's really happening. After 50, collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm, begin to drop sharply. Your skin loses bounce, hydration, and the ability to heal fast. Creams help on the surface, but castor oil goes deeper. Its ricinoleic acid and vitamin E penetrate the dermis, stimulating collagen production and protecting cells from damage. In 2022, a study in the Journal of Dermatological Science showed that applying castor oil 3x a week for 6 weeks improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkle depth by 30%. How to use it: clean your face at night. Warm a few drops of castor oil between your fingers. Massage gently into your skin, especially around the eyes, mouth, and neck. Optional: mix with aloe vera to reduce spots or uneven tone. Your skin will feel nourished, not greasy, and more than that, you may begin to feel at home in your own face again. But skin isn't just affected by aging, it's also affected by stress. And in the next section, we'll explore how castor oil can help calm your mind and restore deep sleep from the inside out. Part 6, skin aging more than wrinkles. When blood starts flowing again, your skin is often the first to show the change. But aging skin isn't just about lines. It's about dryness, dullness, sagging, and feeling like the mirror shows someone else. Here's what's really happening. After 50, collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm, begin to drop sharply. Your skin loses bounce, hydration, and the ability to heal fast. Creams help on the surface, but castor oil goes deeper. Its ricinoleic acid and vitamin E penetrate the dermis, stimulating collagen production and protecting cells from damage. In 2022, a study in the Journal of Dermatological Science showed that applying castor oil 3x a week for 6 weeks improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkle depth by 30%. How to use it. Clean your face at night. Warm a few drops of castor oil between your fingers. Massage gently into your skin, especially around the eyes, mouth, and neck. Optional mix with aloe vera to reduce spots or uneven tone. Your skin will feel nourished, not greasy. And more than that, you may begin to feel at home in your own face again. But skin isn't just affected by aging, it's also affected by stress. And in the next section, we'll explore how castor oil can help calm your mind and restore deep sleep from the inside out. Part 7. The anxiety you don't talk about but feel every night. You care for your joints, your skin, even your gut. But what about your mind? It's tuanasimamam. You're exhausted, but your brain won't stop racing. Worries, regrets, to-do lists, a tightness in your chest. You close your eyes, but sleep won't come. Sound familiar? This kind of anxiety is common after 60, but rarely discussed. Many older adults feel wired yet tired, caught between fatigue and restlessness. Here's something most people don't know. Your vagus nerve, a major part of your nervous system, controls relaxation, digestion, and sleep, and castor oil, when massaged on your chest or abdomen, can gently stimulate this nerve, helping shift your body from stress to calm. In 2020, a pilot study at the Neurobiology Research Center found that vagus nerve stimulation through abdominal massage reduced anxiety symptoms by 38% in seniors. Try this simple bedtime routine. Warm a spoonful of castor oil. Massage into your upper belly or chest in slow, circular motions. Close your eyes and breathe 5 seconds in, 7 seconds out. Let your body receive permission to rest. Many say they sleep deeper, wake calmer, and feel more centered without pills. Just peace. And now that your body and mind are both healing, let's bring everything together in our final reflections. You've just walked through a journey of pain, of healing, of rediscovery, from prostate pressure to hair loss, from aching joints to anxious minds. We didn't talk about magic. We talked about restoring what your body already knows how to do. With just castor oil, baking soda, warmth, and patience, you've seen that healing can be simple, natural, and deeply real. Your age does not define your strength. You are not broken. You are not done. You are still here. And your body still wants to feel alive, not just exist. So start small. Tonight, try a warm castor oil compress. Tomorrow, take a deeper breath. And each day, remind yourself you still hold the power to heal. If this video helped you even a little, leave a comment with the word HEAL so others know they're not alone. Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss another healing moment. And until next time, stay kind to your body. It's been carrying you your whole life.